मेरा नाम Kamila.
Okay, did you miss me?
Not really.
Anyway, you was in Pakistan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Twice.
So
I
can
went
you just
twice.
share your experience, how you feel there and how was there in Pakistan? Did you like Pakistan? How did you find the people there and everything? What kind of tricks they told you if you go?
Yeah, just take some extra SIM card, put somewhere in some secret place where nobody will find that they cannot. Don't give to no one your passport.
Hello.
Finally in home.
How are you?
Welcome home. I'm fine. How was your trip?
It was okay. How are you?
Good.
Making video?
No.
No bad. हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन मैं जासमाल ते तुसी वेख रहे हो सरदार कमाल ऑफिशियल चैनल जैसा कि तुसी पहले भी वीडियो वेखी सी पाकिस्तान गए सी ते वाइफ नूं नहीं सी लैके जा सके ते वाल साहब ने मेरे समझे जी पता नहीं मैं क्यों नहीं जानबूझ के नहीं लैके आया ते मैं चलो अज उन्होंने वास्ते एक वीडियो बनाने ते उन्होंने बहाने कि क्यों नहीं लैके आए हैगे ते ऐ जी मेरी वाइफ है कामिला दलेका ये पोलैंड ते आओ इन्हां गल करदे हैं हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Walaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
And what else you know more in Punjabi?
मेरा नाम Kamila.
Okay, so you need to clear my dad today because he thinks that I don't want you to come Pakistan. First of all, just tell me how was your last this month in UK? How did you spend your time here?
To be honest, it was very boring. 2 weeks holiday alone in lockdown country. That's really bad.
And what else? Did you miss me?
Not really.
Okay.
I don't have to make chapati 1 month. No curries. So just chill out.
Yeah, but you like chapati. You like chapati. You like curry. Everything.
I like it.
I just like eat. No, but so you don't like to make chapati?
Of course I made it every day. So.
Okay, so no chapati. After today is no chapati. I'm not gonna make anything for you.
I'm doing chapati.
Yeah, that's fine. And so tell me anyway, why was the reason why you didn't go Pakistan? You need to just clear my dad because he just asked me that I don't want. So just can you just clear why you didn't go Pakistan?
Of course I want. We both want to go together. That was very important reason actually to travel there. Wedding, your sister wedding. But last 1 year we've got this COVID problems.
Yeah, coronavirus, yeah.
So we live in UK and UK is not really good. So it's many cases and this British type of COVID. So Pakistan put a ban for visa travelers and unfortunately I didn't think before about Pakistani origin card. Every time I was travel on visa.
Visa, yeah, you don't need.
So when they announced they put more this lockdown in February, we decide to apply to Nadra about Pakistani origin card.
What do you think about Nadra?
Oh my god, that
Say
was
something about Nadra.
That was really expensive party.
Yeah, but because we paid a lot of money for Nadra.
A lot of money. They informed me that it will be 1 week.
1 week, yeah, because we choose the fastest one.
Already 2 months gone.
2 months,
and
yeah.
Still I didn't have.
Yeah, we didn't get it. Even they don't send the email. So I don't know because I just want to say to anybody, if anybody watching this video from Nadra, because we honestly really try to bring people in Pakistan, foreign people, yeah. So they don't need to waste people time. If somebody apply for 1 week, they need to give their own time.
Yeah, that's the problem. But second side, if for travelers, visa travelers, this is really easy. And when I apply about visa, I got after 1 week. So that's not the problem. The problem now is just COVID.
I think it's because of COVID, honestly.
Yeah.
So hopefully this COVID is over soon. So then inshallah you will go Pakistan again.
Yeah, inshallah.
But anyway, you was in Pakistan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Twice.
So can you just share your experience, how you feel there and how was there in Pakistan? Did you like Pakistan? How did you find the people there and everything? Just share your experience maybe.
Before I travel to Pakistan, I hear many negative opinion about this country, that it's not safe.
What kind of opinion?
This is not tourism country. There is no safe, and
I think you're watching BBC, yeah? Okay. And?
I just want like have my own experience about this. And second, I travel with my husband, so I don't have reason to feel like not safe.
But what do you think about Polish people? Because you've been in Poland.
Yeah, that time we were living in Poland. My friends, they give me many.
What kind of tricks what they told you if you go?
Just take some extra SIM card, put somewhere in some secret place where nobody will find, that they cannot. Don't give to no one your passport.
That I'm gonna kidnap you, yeah? I will take your passport and I will just maybe have some small room and you have to stay there maybe years.
Yeah, that's actually how media show Pakistan.
Not media, people think same thing about it, yeah?
What people think.
So when you go there, how did you find Pakistan?
It was completely different experience. That was amazing. Since I entered an airport, everyone just like welcomed me very nicely. People asking where I'm from, how I like. They asking me whatever you want, any food, tea. Very good hospitality.
But where you been in Pakistan? Which city?
I've been actually twice in Pakistan. First time it was your brother's wedding. So that time we didn't have time to visit too many places. 1 week was just shopping, which also was a very exciting experience. I never did
everything
this.
Expensive, yeah? Because of you, probably, because everything.
You know, if people see, I don't know.
Gori, yeah, people see Gori. Yeah, but it's normal, you know, it's like everywhere.
But if people see tourists, they usually want like take more money from tourists. And I always look like a little tourist. So.
Yeah, you are. But the good thing is this about Pakistan, you know, when they see white people there, they respect. Yeah,
too much.
Everybody want picture with you. Everybody, nobody, you know, disturb you or nobody. You didn't feel insecure. You feel secure there. Yeah. So what in the media, especially in Poland, because I spent 4 years in Poland, and it's not I'm against to Poland, but they need to change their mentality because they think that Pakistan is like a war zone country. If you enter Pakistan, it's like a war there. But you didn't find any. Some people they think they're asking very strange questions, you know, very funny questions. Like your friend, like when you go Pakistan, just go with the extra SIM card that we can find you. This is a funny thing, you know.
This is now we're just joking about this, and my friends they see I've been there twice. I back, and nothing danger. And I also think now this is like a new destination for tourism.
Yeah, we've been
there 7 years ago. Yes, 6 or 7 years ago, first time. So
2015, yeah. We've been in 2015, and then we also go in 2017, I think. So let's hope it's better now because there's a lot of tourism there, and we are a very friendly nation. You've been there. I don't need to explain anybody. I just want to explain because people really think wrong because they're just watching media. You've been there, and many Polish people, I see many groups, you know, they was there and they're really happy.
You know, I think in every country you have danger places and tourist places like Lahore, Mari, Islamabad. That's very safe and friendly places for tourism. So
can you just clear my dad that I want you go Pakistan. I try a lot and I spend a lot of money. So just tell him, please, Abuji. He won't bring me, but I just don't. Yeah, just tell him.
Abuji.
That I won't come. I try.
Obviously, we both won't come, and inshallah next time we will come together.
Inshallah we will come in Pakistan together. Yeah. So anyway, बहुत शुक्रिया जी, थैंक यू। ये वीडियो सिर्फ इसलिए बनाने का ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਕਸਦ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜ਼ੇਨ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਲੋਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਗਲਤ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ। ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਪੋਲੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕਰਨੇ ਪਏ, ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨੀ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਜਾਂ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਬੰਗਲਾਦੇਸ਼ ਤੋਂ ਲੋਕ ਹੋ ਗਏ, ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹੀ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਜੀ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਜਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੰਟਰੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੁਰੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹ 2 ਦਫਾ ਫਿਰ ਕੇ ਆਈ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਡਰਾਇਆ ਧਮਕਾਇਆ, ਜੋ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ, ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਮਤਲਬ ਹਰ ਸਾਲ ਹਰ ਬਲਕਿ ਪਰਮਾਨੈਂਟ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ ਸਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵੇਖਣ ਦਾ। ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਸਰ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਇਸ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ। ਤੇ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਤਾਲਾ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਹੋਏਗੀ। ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ, ਪਾਕ ਆਰਮੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ। ਅੱਲਾਹ ਹਾਫਿਜ਼ ਜੀ।
Allah Hafiz.